tricky
They
to
make
make
sure-
it. Don't.
Yeah, yeah,
One side, right? Okay. One side, like
Here we
you
go.
go here, around here. And
Oh, got one.
Yeah. The
Not you loser! Wow!
good, right?
Oh, I think you got a strike.
Don't. Ready? Count the video.
Yeah.
Basic. Right. Why don't you do that?
Wow!
It's better.
Fantastic.
It's better. Yummy. Right. Oh, okay.
Ready?
The Bowlmor is next to that main city in Manhattan in Chelsea Pier, and beside the bowling you have a lot of other activities also you can make it. People doing like the kids party, teen party, social event and corporate events. It sounds like it's a lot of fun. Also they have nice bar as well. You can choose your food or drinks. You can order for that. We had a wonderful time with the two of us. My friend was so angry with me. Finally, I beat him. I won the game.